What's up guys, thank you so much for watching me on this channel. I am Varun Tiwari. Welcome you all in today's video guys. In previous two videos I have recorded the first story of the two stories about flying, and today we are going to record the second story, that is the black aeroplane. I hope you all are doing well and fine at your home. So without wasting further more time, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, as I told you in previous videos, I have recorded two stories about flying का first chapter हो चुका है. असाइनमेंट्स और इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी जा चुके हैं आपके पास. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे होंगे. सो टुडेज वीडियो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ब्लैक एयरप्लेन, इट्स अ नाइस स्टोरी, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है. इट्स नॉट अ टिपिकल स्टोरी जहां पे आपको एक कैरेक्टर होगा जो मेन कैरेक्टर एंड यू विल गेट द होल स्टोरी. प्रेडिक्टेबल स्टोरी नहीं है. यू विल हैव टू थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम योर साइड. आपको अपनी तरफ से बहुत कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा एंड दिस स्टोरी विल एवरी टाइम आस्क यू समथिंग. कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन मार्क आपके माइंड में जरूर छोड़ेगी. इवन द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क आस्क्ड बाय द ऑथर. यू ऑल विल बी लाइकिंग इट वेरी गुड. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है, मैं आपको अभी से बोल दे रहा हूं. सो बने रहिए वीडियो पे एंड तक, ठीक है. कोशिश भी मत करना जाने की. सो विदाउट, फिर से कह रहा हूं, स्टोरी जो है दैट हियर लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. थोड़ा एक ब्रीफ इंट्रो देता हूं, देन आई विल गेट बैक टू द लाइन वाइज लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन पे. Here the author is a pilot. I have noted down the few important part of the chapter which I will be recording in this part of the video. Author is a pilot. Pilot है जो फ्रांस से इंग्लैंड जा रहे हैं अपने घर पे. Okay, to enjoy his vacations, as you can say that अपनी फैमिली के साथ enjoy करें. He is planning to reach over there in the morning so to enjoy the delicious English breakfast because he's from England. Okay, so he was flying. His plane name also given, Dakota DS088. This was the flight number. ये उनका जो था प्लेन का नंबर था, Dakota DS088. Okay, so he was flying from Paris to London, that is France to England. He had already planned his vacations with his family. So he had thought many thoughts that he was thinking कि ये करेंगे घर पे जाएंगे, this way I'll be enjoying my vacations with my family. But how the story took the turn, story ने कैसे टर्न मारा और एक कुछ नया, एक a tragedy happened with the author. That is the main part of the story. Generally when he was flying, जब flying over the Paris city, जब वो Paris city के ऊपर से fly कर रहे थे, he was seeing the whole city full of lights. It was looking very nice and the sky was very much clear. When he took off, जब plane took off किया तो everything was well and fine. But all of a sudden when he reached 150 kilometers away from Paris, all of a sudden the clouds and black skies were there. It was very difficult for the author to drive the airplane because the visibility was not at all there. Author once in a mind he thought that कि why not go back, पीछे चले जाते हैं. But when he saw his fuel tank, he thought कि fuel is also not there, and if I try a little bit, अगर थोड़ा try करता हूँ तो in next moment half an hour में I'll be in England, मैं बहुत जल्दी इंग्लैंड पहुंच जाऊंगा. But the main turn in the story comes here when he was totally blank what to do. When from the Paris air traffic control से जब उनको ये मैसेज मिला कि he has to turn 12 degree north, I think we have to see the chapter. So he took the turn, उन्होंने टर्न लिया and then he was totally blank. Now what to do, अब क्या करें. All of sudden, ऐसे कहते हैं जब मुसीबत में पड़ जाते हैं तो God sends his angel, भगवान अपने दूत भेजते हैं. Something like that happens over in the story. Somebody came with the plane and waving his hand and explaining, or you can say that guiding him कि you follow me, I'll be guiding you for the next to your destination. So author was clearly following that plane and finally he reached to his destination. But what happens after in the story, that I won't take this, you can say that opportunity from your side to predict the story or to enjoy the story, because if I'll explain you everything then nothing matters. Okay, so without wasting further more time, back to your mobile screen. Let's see the chapter line wise. I'll be explaining you. I hope you'll be liking it very well. बहुत अच्छा पसंद आएगा आपको. So चलिए start करते हैं. Second story, the black aeroplane. The moon was coming up in the east behind me and stars were shining in the clear sky above me. This is the beginning of the story, as I explained you in the summary part in the beginning of the video, that the sky was very much clear. It was a night scene over here. The moon was there clearly from the east side behind the author, and it was a clear shining sky. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. कुछ भी नहीं था, nothing. It was a clear sky. So I was happy to be alone, high up above the sleeping countryside. As it was a night time, the whole country, the whole city was sleeping, and the lights were there, so city was looking very silent. बहुत अच्छा नज़ारा था. I was flying my old Dakota airplane over France back to England. As I told you, the author was going to his home from France to England. I was dreaming of my holiday and looking forward to being with my family. He was just, I told you in the beginning of the summary also, that he was going back to his family to enjoy his vacations. I looked at my watch, 1:30 in the morning. In the morning, that means it's a clearly midnight के 12 बजे के बाद की रात का जो है ये सीन रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, ऑथर ने लिखा है 1:30 in the morning, that is the morning time. What he decided, see, I should call Paris control soon. He decided that I should call to the Paris control, air traffic control. I thought, as I looked down past the nose of the airplane. Nose of the airplane in the sense, तो आपने एयरप्लेन देखा होगा, जो फ्रंट पोर्शन होता है एयरप्लेन का, वो मतलब नोज की तरह एकदम यू कैन से दैट क्रॉस में ट्रायंगल के जैसे कॉर्नर मिलते हैं ना, जहाँ पर वहां निकला हो, वैसा उस पार्ट, प्लेन के उस पार्ट की बात हो रही है जहां से जो पायलट्स होते हैं वो प्लेन को ड्राइव करते हैं. I saw the lights of the big city in front of me. Big city, it's a Paris city की बात हो रही है. I switched on the radio and said, जो जहाँ पे फ्लाइट जो एयरप्लेन पायलट्स होते हैं, जो उनका ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल सिस्टम होता है, जहाँ से वो बात करते हैं एयरपोर्ट पे, वो उन्होंने ऑन किया और क्या कहा, पेरिस कंट्रोल, Dakota DS088 here. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England over. आपने ये देखा होगा मूवीज में, या जो आर्मीज में जो उनके पास हैंडफोन होता है उसको बोलते हैं ओवर ओवर, लास्ट में कुछ भी कंप्लीट करने के बाद. सो ही सेड दैट कि आई एम माय वे टू इंग्लैंड फ्रॉम DS088 ओवर. द वॉइस फ्रॉम द रेडियो आंसर्ड मी इमीडिएटली. तुरंत ही वहां से रिस्पॉन्स आया. क्या आया? DS088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degree west. Actually 12 degree west आपको turn करना है. DS088 over. Coming to the next para, I checked the map and the compass. Compass, as you all know, that shows the direction. उन्होंने देखा. Switched over to my second and last fuel tank. जो दो टैंक होते हैं प्लेन में, तो इनका पहला तो ऑलरेडी ओवर हो चुका था. सेकेंड फ्यूल टैंक को देखा, and it was also indicating not a good sign. ज़्यादा नहीं था, but enough था कि इंग्लैंड पहुंच जाए. See, 12 degree, sorry, a good big English breakfast. I'll be in time for breakfast. मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा टाइम पे. I thought a good big English breakfast. I'll be enjoying with my family. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. There was no problem at all. कुछ भी problem नहीं हो रही थी. Sky was clear and I was supposed to reach to England on time in the morning to enjoy my morning breakfast with my family. Now, he was away 150 kilometers from Paris. से वो 150 किलोमीटर आगे निकल के आए थे. So Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw the clouds. Now the here suspense started. यहाँ से स्टोरी ने नया टर्न लिया है. अभी तक जो स्काई पूरी तरह से क्लियर था, immediately the clouds started coming over in storms. Clouds, they were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. As he was sitting in the cockpit of the plane, जो सबसे आगे होता है, तो वो ग्लास से देख रहे थे, पूरी तरह से ब्लैक माउंटेन्स मेड अप ऑफ क्लाउड जैसे लगे कि क्लाउड पूरा माउंटेन लग रहा था. एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज नथिंग वाज विजिबल फ्रॉम देयर. कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा था. I knew I could not fly up and over them because it was too difficult over there कि बिल्कुल possibility ही नहीं थी कि ड्राइव किया जा सके. And I did not have enough fuel also to fly around them to the north or south. और I did not have any option कि मैं अपना direction change करके फिर जाऊं because fuel was also not there. I ought to go back to Paris. He decided, he was just thinking, not decided, he was thinking in his mind, I need to go back because this is, if I decide to go, that would be a very foolish decision because that would be inviting trouble for myself. So he thinks that कि और he thought that कि I should be going back. मुझे पीछे चले जाना चाहिए वापस. Then what happened? I'll take I ought to go back to Paris, I thought, but I wanted to get home. But he was very excited to go to his home and meet his family. So what he said, I wanted that breakfast because he was, you can say that he was being homesick. याद आ रही थी. So what he decided that I'll take the risk. मैं risk लूँगा. I thought and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. Directly storm के बीच में लेके गए कि I will fly from this direction. यहीं से ले चलूँगा मैं plane. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. Nothing was visible. सामने कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा था. Okay, you can say that taking this kind of decision, it can be a bold decision, but in reality, if you think this is a foolish decision, आग पे चलना that is a बहादुरी का काम तो है, but real में चलना that is a foolishness. पागलपंती है. वो यही किया यहाँ पर. So what he did, nothing was visible over there. It was impossible to see anything outside the airplane. कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा था. The old airplane jumped and twisted in the air. I looked at the compass. I could not believe what was there. That he was so much of afraid that, as you can see on the very next page from the cockpit, you see nothing is visible. Pure dark mountain like skies over there. My eyes, the compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. It would not work. अब वो काम ही नहीं कर रहा है. The other instruments were suddenly dead. Too, I tried the radio also. He tried to contact the Paris control room again because the compass was also dead. Nothing was working. It was a serious trouble for the author. He was very afraid and he could not contact to the Paris control room also. Paris control, question mark is there. Paris control, can you hear me? There was no answer. Nobody was there to listen. The radio was dead too. Radio भी बंद हो चुका था. I had no radio, no compass, and I could not see where I was. He wasn't knowing कहाँ पर हूँ, कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. The plane was turning and compass and everything was over. And the most importantly, fuel was also going to be over in very few moments. Then in the black cloud quite near me, I saw another airplane. He saw an airplane just beside his airplane. उसके बगल में उसको एक नया airplane दिखा. I could see the pilot's face. Pilot का face clearly दिख रहा था, turning towards me. The pilot from the next airplane, he was just seeing to him, and the author was very clearly able to see him. What happened? I was very glad to see that someone is there or someone has come to help me. He lifted one hand and waved. उसने हाथ उठाया और wave किया, हिलाया. Follow me, he was saying. Follow me, follow me. I'll be guiding you to your destination. Now, what happened to the next in the story? Now see friend, I am stopping the story over here. I know again I am stopping at a particular place or particular part of the story from where the story took a new scene. But I want you to be in this way or इस zone में आ जाओ कि what would happen next, आगे क्या हुआ होगा, because the story is really a very nice end. Story का end बहुत ही ज़्यादा superb है and the author has to be complimented for that. उनके लिए उनको compliment मिलना चाहिए. But क्या होगा आगे story में? Was the author able to reach his home? घर पहुँच पाए? Who was that man who was driving that airplane? How did he reach over there? Did he was he sent by someone else, or was the author able to reach him at the end when he reached to his destination? Sorry. But what happened at the end? The first question come in our mind कि होता क्या end में? Next video में आपको सब पता चलेगा, ठीक है? वीडियो के एंड में I'll be giving you an assignment. एक assignment display होगा. I'll request you all to please go through with those questions. And if you have any doubt, later on in the next video you can write even in this video also, write me in the comment section. I'll be definitely helping you out, and these questions are very important. Okay, they are important questions and they may be asked in the exam में आ सकते हैं. So without taking it lightly, I'm expecting that you people will be definitely following this one. So in today's video, this much is only there. I hope you all are doing well and fine in this lockdown period at your home. कुछ कर सकते हैं तो घर में रहिए, दोस्तों में मित्रता बनाए रखिए, आसपास साफ सफाई रखिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू।